Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are inactive. We cannot customize them manually. It is because we are using automatic options. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers here. And now we can freely tap on date. And as you can see from this calendar, we can pick the date we want to use, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time. Just pick it from this clock and tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied on the status bar. We can also change the time zone. Just tap on this option. And here we have to tap on the region also. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions. Of course, you can enter the name of it, or you can scroll to find. And after finding, just tap. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. And of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got also some additional options connected with the time format. Currently, we are using 24-hour one. In order to use 12-hour format, simply turn off this option and it will be immediately applied. So this is the manual customization of date and time. Of course, we can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.